Bullshit terms like outdoorsy and nature lover should stop being used. When did outdoorsy become a common adjective? And when did nature lover become a niche? Aren't we all nature lovers? Language shapes the way we see the world. And as it changed, so is our connection with nature. We all long for the freedom of the wild. Once we lived with the rhythm of nature. Now, we're trading sunrises with screens and wildflowers for Wi-Fi. However, the world still calls us home.